I don't know. Ikhona imali le mpahla.
Photography.
Yeah.
Imali esiyidlala lapha Shapiro.
You ever dealt with the client enhle? You know, akushutha wayishutha waqeda yasikutshela ukuthi no ayinayo inyuku but if ufuna ama
Interesting.
So have you also worked with the client that ubona ngathi lo muntu lo mfethu uyinkinga?
Cela ukushutha isithombe esikanje, yabo? Mhlawumbe kusendele mhlawumbe isithombe sesilende, imodel egqoke ingubo e6. Yena uthi uyambona
Kahle, you were selling them, dog, a lifestyle or a feeling yokuba a celebrity.
Image,
So you're selling an image.
Yes, yeah.
That's dope.
You create and sell an image.
Yeah.
Buy and sell.
So like ama-out ifethana yakhuthalo mshitelo angaphathi ingane ebuya le yebo kanti ayiphathe kunjalo ebuya le nina naba la elokishini ningayiphathi njengami ezwa
Welcome to the Ace Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Your hosts, Danke Machiteni. Zui. Kusaba bantu kushisa. Hola lapha Shapiro.
Sharp correct. Hola, Pepper Shepherd on the mic again. Yes, izo imashile.
Ekonakele kuyafiwa. Teddy wekhofi.
Saying Tete Ponchitsu. Glad Shapiro. Glad Dagabo.
Izitha ehlale zizitha emakhoneni.
Usenesitha.
Unesitha kanjani manje Tete uShapiro?
Mayetha uyawazi nje.
Shapiro ubra wethu.
Sure, sisonke.
Nawu ubra wethu. Kodwa manje uzosaba ukuthi
Angisazi. Angisazi.
Shapiro utha kwenzeke something la.
Dlala ubhontshisi.
Hawu lo mchitha. Udlala izobhontshisi kanjani wethu?
No, but Shapiro, but kuwena ke Shapiro, but I can talk about what I'm doing. But I was really interested in knowing it because I feel like there's more we can talk about.
With the event.
No, not the event. The actual thing that you were talking about. The event.
That's all about black businesses. That's all.
Yeah.
Actually, they wanted to more on. But I mean, I was more trying to explain to them and asking them a question in terms of like, is the business visible digitally? Most of our businesses are not visible digitally. So I was trying to put it in a way because manje angithi lapha bebekhuluma about fashion kakhulu yabo.
Yeah.
So I came in as someone who says, okay, cool. I have guys that have also built an AI that is able to help you in terms of how to style you, you know. So a lot of people, everybody actually apparently didn't know about that. Now you can do that, you know, where you can create your own AI bot that can help you to style yourself. It's okay, this t-shirt can go well with the sneaker, you know, and then you just choose which one you're going to use, you know, and then you just go and buy it without you going to the physical store. So basically, yeah, it was that.
It's crazy.
Yeah. But because we need to adapt and understand, I would say, we can't be using Dallas like that, and also because of technology, fashion, affect man. You know, you can't say your fashion affect because everything is strictly going digital. So if you have a business, it's going to be affected, you know, for the change that is happening. Because infrastructure, won't come up business, it's our own avantages. So, yeah, basically, but we low coras.
Affect kanjani fashion AI kanye technology indlela yokugqoka noma indlela yokushopha kwabantu
from like I said, the whole infrastructure, you know, from production to the consumer, and the process yonke yokwenza, because you have like your 3D printing now. It was shyly sneak and with, you know, design the sneak. There's also 5D printing that's also coming probably next year. yabo konke lokho game movie fashion manje yabo. So kubalekile ukuthi especially the people that are in the sector to understand that as well and be updated to go to okay, how do you then even outsource lama skill up and even with the transaction of value from because if money goes digital yonke there's no paper money, so you need to create indlela yokutransact customer lakho. So now what are you going to do? You know, which platform are you going to use to make sure ukuthi abantu abasokoli in terms of buying a product yakho? Because manje if ucash usungasekho, how are they going to get your product? You know, what platform are you going to use now? You know, so all of that is also important, you know, because you need to also understand ukuthi solve any problem yokuthi product isheshe ifike customer la, you know. So those are a very important thing. Like I said, dog, the AI is it disrupts yonke into, dog. It's like same as ugesi basically.
Yeah.
You know, when they're inventing ugesi dog zingaphi izinto ezilokhu za ugesi manje esiyisebenzisa every day beside ukukhanya. So it's exactly the same thing now with how AI is moving. So I feel like our businesses need to understand these tools and try to integrate them to my business up and see if it's going to work for them or not now, because eventually it's going to be affected. They are going to be affected because if you are a small business and then bigger business like your Woolies, sebeyishintsha yonke indlela abenza ngayo and then kuzokwenzakalani kuwena?
Uzosala phansi.
Yebo Lord.
But yazi khona enye into engake ngayinotice ukuthi ama-business amaningi, especially big businesses, they are way ahead.
Sure.
Because khona enye into ngike ngadive into lento ye-human psychology nanokuthi how businesses tap into that. Yabo? Bona i-AI, most of the businesses understand ama-impact ayo 10 years or 20 years ago before thina size sibe out, before izifike. Like for example, kunama-business njengamanje, especially those big businesses, ayenza i-research, abastadisha ama-Gen X laba abazayo, bastadisha bona so that in masebe na 20 oba laba abancane manje abazalwa manje
Gen Z.
Laba abazalwa manje.
Gen what now? The other one is Gen. There's Millennium. There's Boomers, Millennium, Gen Z.
Gen Z, 2K.
Gen X, and then there's what else? Laba manje yeah.
So ibona ke laba abazalwa manje bayastadishwa ukuthi in 20 years masebe na 20 yabo, or roughly between the age level labezongena khona ko high school nasekuma university, ipalette labo lizobe lime kanjani, iziphi izinto abazobe beyithanda, iziphi izinto abazobe bezenza, yabo. But and ama businesses amaningi lamakhulu akwenza lokho ngokwenza i-research, because South Africa most of the time i-influencer izinto ezenzeka ko-US, UK, yabo. But i-palette in terms of food i-affectwa i-Brazil. Bayakwazi ukusi-researcha nge-Brazil because most of the i-palette lethu liyafana nabantu base-Brazil. Yeah. So what they do is they study us now ukuthi laba abancane, so that mabe investa kwi-infrastructure benze sure ukuthi babe develop ama-products and because most of the time ama-products adevelopayo awadevelopa aphume manje, adevelopa aphume, some take 5 to 10 years to develop. So with that then they invest more kuma-research facilities enza lokho. So now I'm trying to understand ukuthi ulwethu umethepa in manje kwi-AI bayiqale nini research. Lona onespaza yena okanye one-shop encane uzoyibona manje into i-trend afuna ukuhopha ini kuyona manje without understanding i-psychology behind lezo zinto lezo. Yebo?
True. No, you're absolutely right. That's why kubalekile what I was emphasizing nami manje lapha ukuthi we need to understand this technology now, dog. It's critical and important. Because if you find ukuthi njengobusho uless bona banemali, so kunama department ahlukile lapha adila nje nokuresearcha lo ama trends, nokuresearch i-technology, how do they really get to the market njengobuchaza yalaba basanda kuzalwa manje, what is it that they're going to like, because they collect data and And the data, man, you're not currency, man. Most of these companies, they run on data, bro. That's why they sell data like crazy, especially us online with these companies. It's 70 on our social media account. You know, because by understanding, if you got the data, you dictate to the
You
society.
showcase Pelita. You showcase.
You push the trends too, you know, even if Tina as a community, snake culture, it's your turn in but those who have money, they take that culture by spice up by pushing because they got the money, we don't. But we are the ones who are creative. But it's just that we don't own the infrastructure. We're depending on them. Because I want more better talking. I was explaining this thing today. You would see, if you look even how all these platforms that we are using, so social media, almost like 85% of the internet is controlled by 3 entities, which is Microsoft, Meta, Google, you know. And so everything is built on their server. So if you don't do anything, they can just close you anytime. You just press a button, you validate your contact with all your million followers that are buying your product that you are selling. What you gonna do? Pay the campaign much. Because I need 77.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we depend on bone. You know, so my thing was like, I feel like it's high time now we also learn about Web3, where Web3 is no longer about using a server. You can also use your own server on blockchain. And if you have like million followers that are following you, that are selling your product, create your own platform. Kanye West did it, you know.
Yeah.
Create your own platform. Everybody buy straight from you, you know. Straight up. All your kid outing was a middleman. Because these big institutions are a middleman, basically. Because if ungambe ngamselana nawe or ushinto engahamselana nami lokuza nakhona, bayakuvali account yakho. So if bevali account yakho, isinkwa sakho ijampile na million followers yakho labo. Yabo.
So lento kuba step by step process mawichaza ukuthi so from here to here to here noma kuba ukuthi it's just a general advice.
No, but like it's the internet right now, it's got 3 stages. So from Web 1, Web 2, we are in Web 3 right now. Web 1 was all about just read only, where it's just like a computer, Boogie TV basically, just a computer, and then you just read the email. Web 2, you read and you reply. So you read the email and you reply. Web 3, you read, you reply, you also own. So basically, it's simple as like that. So it's all up internet right now on Web 3, where now it's mostly you create apps now. So you see guys can just create an app through using AI and stuff like that. So it's easy now to even do that. Yeah, well. So that's where we are now, you know, where the middleman is no longer in charge anymore, because for some time we've been in control by these institutions. They dictate to Gucci if better YouTube back, so you don't have a platform anymore, you know, so you're depending on them. So they own the infrastructure. So this is where we are right now, where everything, our young kid to talk, they've managed to make sure we rent everything. We don't own it.
Yeah.
So more pair music,
Yeah.
stream, you know, more boama move, all of those things. So it's no longer about ownership anymore, where you just have a CD or a cassette.
Yeah.
So we're about La Machita, they're trying so hard to make sure that we don't own anything, but own our own quinto, boy. So we work to pay them because they own the whole infrastructure from everything. But yet you're the one who goes and work and be creative. I mean, imagine, bro, we are one manje. Working so hard to make sure that we have all these subscribers, right? We are becoming creative. And then, born a talk, all they get, they make sure that they put on my ads. They make so much money with the traffic. So what do we get? Peanuts and but the creativity, the cards now, young kids, and we get all these people. And more of it, they're just like, okay, company says if you fagi it, like, okay, lom chito na banta ba 1 million na bamlawa again. Fagala, bashay nyo. Then when I'm you know. So it's like they've managed to own the infrastructure and let us see fools, which is what they've been doing for quite some time. Which every time, whenever they see, especially black people that are creative, be creative, but spend the show with Bambanjela, with infrastructure, the ownership, and we forever. And right now, this is what they've been doing to make sure it's okay. They don't want to ovele bona. I send the show with about own loot, pelanje. you know, bajabulela nje ukuthi hayi vele kumele ngikhokhe kube khona imali engiyikhokhayo every month, you know, and then what's the point of being creative and putting the work and yet you don't own yonke lento? So, you know what I mean? So I feel like that's where we are right now. And they try so hard to make sure ukuthi lezi zinto we are cool with it. You know, say understand and sigcine sesivumela ukuthi bro if ubuka futhi bekukhona ama cassettes dog, ama CD, you know, and ama musician behlafuna ngaleza impahla dog. You go as far as owning your own like catalog and owning your own music. Now, bala abantu aba own music dog. You know.
Ama majors.
You need to understand.
In one way or the other, they'll own it. Yeah, one way or the other. Uyancanya uzodlula kubona. Otherwise uzostreama uba wena usadayisa cassette.
Sesize sayivumela leyo sayithatha
uzostreama ubani, uzostreama kuphi?
Sa understand.
Uzostreama kuphi? Uzazodayisa ama CD. Uzoba uzothenga i-CD man.
Asusho ngene kodwa ishala mpahla.
But it goes to good phela bona. Yazi this is where these people become angikhalele ngibakubabiza ama-genius, but that's when la besibamba khona ukuthi mabeshintsha isystem abayishintshi at a basic level, bayishaya at a level where everything depends on. It's like moving the goalpost yonke into uyimove ushintshe wonke umdlalo ongafuni kudlala akakwazi kudlala anywhere else,
bro. And
uyacabanga usadlala ibhola la kumove stadium nebhola lize ngala, if awufuni kumove wena ngeke ukwazi ukuyenza lento ofuna ukuyenza. If awufuni wena as a musician ukurelease music wakho kuma streaming platforms, uzodlala i-radio emgaqweni ubize abantu ukuthi abazokulalela with everything. Don't think it's just music, because also with businesses as well, they create these platforms. Even with as simple as inyuka yakho ephaketheni. Inyuka yakho wazi kahle ukuthi umise bank bazoyishaya ama charges immediately, igaxa nje ama charges. Uma uyikhipha ama charges. Uma uthi ayibeka futhi kunama interest, muwenzani? Uzohlala no cash? Sebekutshelile ukuthi kune crime eserious kabi akuhambeki ngo cash, and bayayivala izindawo eziningi ukuthi transact ngo cash.
Na bakuvumelekile ukuthi uhlale no cash.
Akuvumelekile futhi uhlale uyaboshwa uma uhlale no cash omningi endlini.
Qhamukapi lelisa.
Yabo, so izinto eziningi ziyashifta zonke. Zonke ziyashifta. Ukuthi wena hamba kulo line lo. It's about, I think more than anything, it's about understanding the system and then trying to win within the system. Then until you get into a point where maybe now you are liberated enough to be a strategical thinker, which whatever you invent or whatever you do, it must have that impact. Yokuthi shintsha yonke into status quo yashintsha sonke. But how many people are capable of doing that? And what does it take for one to sit and believe ukuthi okay le idea nginayo iblind ngalendlela ukuthi I can change the status quo, but now I need to be strategical ekuthenini mase ngi-implement, how can I change? Like uKanye West wafika i-fashion industry bikhona, but why revolutionize yonke yashintsha indlela ekutransitwa ngakanye kubukwa ngayo impahla, but still babembambile kwi-platform yaka Nike, bambamba ka-Adidas, bambamba nakule company uba ukoba lo what bambamba kule bakwazi kodwa ukuthi aphuma eceleni, but still ama-factories izinto eziningi bekuseyezabo, i-distribution bebesayi-own ukuthi ungahlala ney'mpahla zakho ubani ozokudayisela.
But I like the fact that he did it though. And he show us to say you can't do it because he's the culture.
But sengisho ukuthi level yokucabanga edingakalayo ukuthi ne level yokwenza izinto
because you need such people, you know, ukuthi babone ukuthi it's possible for umuntu omnyama ukuthi ayenze lento, yabo, because phela if engekho nizosaba nonke. Yabo nonke nizosaba nibothi hayi ngeke ngiqale, yabo, because lento kushuthi vele once waqala bayakuvala, you know. It's good ukuthi kwenzekile phambi kwethu sambona mfethu nomjito wanenkani wayizama uphinde wabuya manje futhi uyayiphusha lento, yabo. So you need such people ukuthi at least if you're going to have like black folks, they're going to try and crack and make sure they're creating their own lane, because it's not going to be easy vele mfethu, yabo. But for the fact that I recommend him for trying, dog, because you know, Jongo Bush, you're going to lose a lot, bro. You know, and imagine that guy lost a lot of millions.
and bayawenza umzekelo ngawe as umuntu omnyama ofuna ukwenza ushintsho yabo once wawudark nje wafuna ukuba ne-positive impact bazosetha kahle umzekelo ngawo ukuthi ungaphindi uyicabange lento eyenzayo even nama-politicians i-politician ezama ukwenza into e-right engadli engekho corrupt bazokusetha kahle umzekelo ngawe nje ukuthi wena yes
Lamini.
kwaKanye West uyalwa nawe uyatabalaza kodwa uyambona ukuthi hey it's a fight ekudinga isibindi sangempela la so everywhere once waba umuntu ozama ukushintsha wazama ukuba ne-impact serious that is why abantu abaningi abahlakaniphile bavele bachoose nje ukuthi yazini
And also ingakho futhi singabona abantu abaningi like trying like njengoKanye because
Yeah.
mind losing people are not ready to lose.
have it
Wayibona
pepupididi.
lokhu.
Okay, this is my question.
Wayibona lokho okuncane mfethu okukhona.
Well, are you ready to lose everything now? Or now? Or that you've just built, dog?
You know khona into engihlezi ngicabanga shiphathi ukuthi I think no but to make this answer short I'm not ready but ikhona into engihlezi ngicabanga ukuthi yo ngiyafisa ukufikelela kuleso stage kodwa but into eyinkinga uma ususibuka leso stage njengoba bengizama ukuchaza ukuthi isystem yonke is rigged around something noma ngathi we are willing to lose everything
Yeah.
Sure.
but indlela mase be-black bowler ngayo
Sure.
njengoba ngisho ukuthi mfethu kuba umzekelo ocacayo nje ukuthi yabo le nto boyenza nomunye obuka wena angalinga ayicabanga
Yeah. I think izona zinto lezi ezishayayo. Izona zinto ezishayayo lezo. Because manje kahle it's not ukuthi asikho ready because umbuzo olandela uyokube yini ready. There's a lot but I feel like mina indaba isekuthenini siyasaba
yeah
ngoba understander lento oqeda kuyichaza manje ukuthi vele noma ungazama kanjani
akhona amanye ama-fears
Kukhona
bese
leya
kube
mpahla.
khona le
khona leyo kuqala mfethu
But kuba ngazo manje abamanje ngifaka ifear manje. Yabo
Kanjani?
umuntu mhlambe besobuka manje.
No,
You know, uthi manje lamashita athini.
but ivarivari
no. Phela,
ukusaba mfethu sinako vele ukusaba
Hayi.
ukusaba
Bafethu, I
sinako
think that mina into engikhalela siyenze ibe clear ukuthi nako phela ukusaba kunama-stages khona lokhu kokuthi usaba izinto ezi-light wena usaba ukuvuka uhambe uyophanta okanye usaba ukuvuka uyokwenzani usaba ukuvuka but lokho okwenza i-impact enkulu
Yeah.
ikona-ke lokhu kuyi-ghost okangempela ikona okuyi-ghost okangempela lezi ezinye izinto bethu azidingi ukuthi usabe kakhulu ungashaya ne-impact ku-local community but uma kukhona nje izinto obonayo ukuthi bethi le mpahla ijule ngale ndlela ukuthi ngisho noma usuyilandela mfethu uza kuma-struggle heroes ase-South Africa zonke zazifuna ukwenza into right.
No, but it's how they, like you said, it's how they've structured it. I mean, they've made sure ukuthi they give us things that esingakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwazo. So even if when you're trying to question the system, you know which these things are not yours. So it's like, ish, what do I do now? Should I speak the truth or should? Because if I speak the truth, I might lose all of these things. So man, it's like, ish, let me compromise because at the end of the day, lezi zinto angiziboni ngiphila ngaphandle kwakho because vele sibuya ekhlupekeni okuserious where we didn't have all these things. So it's kind of like difficult ngempela uyimela ke into yakho because sebeyazi vele bashayile yabo and we can't just say you know what I mean abethi uzostruggle. You know why isho for domchita ubest lento ngasela ukuthi yabo le ndaba ukuthi ufuna ukuba revolutionalist uzolamba and uzolamba ngempela bra wami. So I think now kuba strategic yasiza what you're saying now. It's very important because some people they tend to think that you're just gonna decide today, which you know what I know.
Siyabangena.
You know, which is these systems have been built for years. Way even before you were born.
Yeah.
You know, they got like 220 something years. You know what I mean? And it's something that you're not just gonna decide today which is over this scratch. We manage right now. There's a shift that is happening in Mali, dog. And these guys are the ones right now who are key players. Yeah, well, this morning, bro, 2:00 in New York Stock Exchange, they had a meeting, bro. They deciding about implementing stable coins now into the stock exchange. And if it's who, you know how it is. You know, labantu vela bayiphethe imali. Uyibona bayiprinter, uyibona bayisupply for all these other reserve banks. They are the ones now who are deciding ukuthi kuse igame manje siyayishintsha. Sizoyidlala kanje man. We're no longer going to go this way. And izozwa ngathi manje because futhi thina futhi sishawa umthetho manje. Sihlangene nama lawyers nama change makers bonke abantu badla. Like discuss, okay, how do we go about it moving? And the rest of the people, they are just distracted. They don't know what's going on.
No, pethu khona basketball, khona UFC.
And so you bought a lot.
Khona ibhola.
Khona
music, khona ama-concerts. Khona ama-concerts.
Mhlawumbe uyashintsha but la manje ashintsha igame manje ngenyuku.
Masibona ukuthi niyabhoreka zonishaya nge-contribution encane.
Ingiyabuzwa abantu bayishale mpahla. You understand that lokuthi the rest of the world doesn't know what's going on. And only just these few people that are deciding, okay, now game session is man. Uzothi yabona uyoza sekuthiwa no, ama-market athize ashayekile no manje sekunemali entsha kumele siyisebenzise how nini man because be right there
man
asebeshintsha yonke into bayaqhubeka futhi you know ubona basilida you still become part of ilokuzana yabo. So it's buhlungu lanto la, you know, when you look at it, you know. But I feel like now it's our time, you know, to really, you know, when you see such conversation and when you're starting such conversation, it's a matter of saying, okay, what do we do, you know, moving forward? How do we prepare ourselves to even at least sow a seed young and we might not change everything. At least there kube khona iside esiyibona where now we're starting to move differently now in terms of okay, cool, because see, I understand you capital. How we enter that man talk you can't build these infrastructures you don't have money, dog. Even for the fact that they build these infrastructures, it took them people to say, okay, keep it nonsense. We'll figure like tea. Yeah, so it's very challenging because it's how we move as individuals. So how they move as a collective. It's different.
My packs.
You know, and the land of it's kube into ozoyivela uyiqale manje, you know, it takes time because limele dog eshaye kakhulu uyazi dog uma uqala into niqala phethe uyabona umuntu usebheka inyuku
saqala zibe zibeka nje
uyaphi nesisu sakho because la phethe wamanje sisizama ukuhlanganisa la sibe ne foundation talent wena already usuza nezinkinga zakho bese wena ufuna ukuqala nje business nabantu abashadile
indlala
kanjani manje
ababa nenkinga kakhulu because manje babe beze nenkinga zabo zasemshadweni la ebusinessini so it's yabheda amfuni ngabe umuntu oshadile no lambe I understand ukuthi ngiqala into dog lalela abantu abashadile bazokwenza njani niyayiqala lapha sithi ihlangane sharp grand you guys ni decide ukuthi this is where we going, this is what we doing. Hayi ingene bese income yokuqala idwadla inyuku noma siya investor futhi business because vele ngeke sihole manje hayi umuntu oshadile eza nezinkinga zakwakhe iyazi manje fro kasho aciza yabo
bro singena
phela manje uzomtabukela phela because umchita nawe yabo uyazi phela umchita phethe wekhaya ngeke phethe nawe phela niveleni yabo nithi hayi manje endlini yabo ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi seniyacapha khona la nipheshela yena manje yabo so nje abantu abashadile bayinkinga.
But also I feel like not abashadile because khona amagenge futhi there are breadwinners emakhaya.
Sure.
Also bona sibabeka phi maso kanjani makushube edladlini siyahlanganisa makushube edladlini singwasikho
hayi bethu akushube ayakushube bethu
acabunelo yena
awucaphunelelani
kodwa lo shadi
yabeyinkila wasiqala kwacaphuna hayi nami ngizocaphuna dog hayi mina phela nami ngizofika nezami inkinga dog wacashulela ngizobuza bomcaphulela ngobe njani kanyisi mina ngicaphuleni nami ngizobe ngintshetse i-olet lami yangigulela strong mouth
angifuna ngikufana nabantu abangapha abashadile shepherd
baningi dog baningi I think about 4 mina dog that you've
Yeah.
started something with. It's like, umuntu vela fie no sees, la kwakho vela ubone na uthi phela ubra wakho lo. It's like to
Ushadile.
kumele futhi because awufuni ukufika lapha nabuya njengebar because bayisa abafazi bebe nemali. So uzongcono uthi hayi sure kulungile uzophinda uspeshe. Ngeke uphinde uyithole lo mali. Lapho ke lo munye owashadile uyabona sekuse hayi nami angifike neyami inkinga. So manje uyabona agcina lento ubotha ayisekho lento ishepherd, you know. So it's challenging though, you know, not all of them, but it's kind of like challenging, you know. Magunjani.
No, ukuthi ngiyazama ukuyihlaziya because ukuthi-ke kusho ukuthi nathi siphinde shawe ama-principles masenze izinto to stick to principles to actually do things ngendlela not ngobu-out not ngobungani but kwenziwe izinto njengendlela we struggle a lot with that.
Why, bro? If you don't mind me asking, why, how is it that, bro, we still, even namanje, noma sesikelezi seside igele, sabona amanye amabhizinisi odaka, but we still have a problem of structuring our business nje kahle mfethu and run things nje like professional and be excellent and be abantu nje mfethu who are about the business and bonakala ukuthi cha but nathi siyakwazi ukurana ngebusiness, you know, not ukuthi asikwazi.
I think mhlambe I'll mention 3 things maybe kuzodlula la. Ukusurvive, i-hope, ne-patience. Nokungacabangi ke nokuhluleka ukucabanga. Okay. Athi ngizama uku-expanda lapha. Yabona baningi abantu abathi bayacabanga babe bengacabangi. Umuntu uthola ukuthi ngizothi Shepherd kusasa asikhulume mhlambe ngetopic emali asami socabanga. Wena uzicabangele nje basic level. Not ukuthi ucabange deep ngemali.
Sure.
Into kanjalo. Say we say asiqala ibusiness kusasa bra wami. Ngeke ulicabange to an extent ukuthi ungangilethela a 10-page document. Ecatshangiyo oyicabangile no. So shawe lokho. Then bese sibe hopeful in a sense yokuthi njengoba senza lento we hope ukuthi izosebenza.
Sure.
And then bese sifocus lapho kulo hope. Bese sishawe i-patience yokuthi uma uqala ibusiness i-patience icishe ifaneke ne-instant gratification ukuthi uma uqala ibusiness ngathi lingaba right manje ngathi masiqala into ngathi ngaba right manje okanye kusasa not even in business anything that we do even if uqala i-relationship you hope ukuthi ngaba right manje yabo ukhohle ukuthi lo muntu una 30 years kusamele uqala understand when una 20 years
I'm vitizi.
so and then yesibili is survival. Most of us we come from a position you survive. We do not understand success for what it is. In as much as we understand the success, but kumanye ama cases asifuni we apply ukuthi success means setting a goal and then achieving that goal. Thina sifuna ukuthi siqale into so that sizokwazi ukuthi senze lezi zinto lezi sifuna ukuzenza. Uthola ukuthi you want to provide for your family okanye ufuna ukwenzana. Most of that then iyangena kwi-part yokusurvive. In as much as ingakona ukusurvive okufana nalo muntu ohluphekayo ufuna ukuba rich but still nakho kuseyipart yokuthi asiqalanga lento with the intention ukuthi sifuna ibe successful. So then lack of those things and nokuthi kube khona lezi zinto bese cause lento ukuthi ke singakwazi ukuthi thina siqala izinto siyiqede. For example mina njengamanje uma uqala i-restaurant asenze umzekelo let's dive deep on uqala i-restaurant. Let's say uqala i-restaurant man thina so about to decide uqala i-restaurant mhlawumbe singayiqala kuphi awenza umzekelo nje any location pick any location
Florida.
Okay, okay. So abantu abaningi mabeqala ama-restaurant ku-Florida bazo-choose uFlorida because of i-traffic.
Sure.
Because bacabanga ukuthi kunabantu bazofika bona babeka indawo abantu they'll walk in bangene definitely as long as umuntu ecreate a-space esi-right of which that's not true. Akho umuntu ohamba nemali ku-Florida ofuna ukubona ukuthi ngingangena kuphi. Most of the people abaku-Florida bayazi ukuthi bayaphi bayokwenzana.
Sure.
Umuntu usuka la isuka khona uyazi ukuthi ngihalela ukuyokwenza ukuthi oh and then sengingadlula ke endaweni ukuthi but akho umuntu ohalela. So when we qala ibusiness hoping ukuthi sikune traffic ku-Florida nakwena bazophumela kuwena umuntu uphuma yazi kahle ukuthi mina ngiyezayo okanye mina ngiye-Starbucks na uma uphuma endlini wazi kahle wonke lamanye ama-business ke athini azokulinda mhla wathatha i-decision ukuthi mhlawumbe ngizodlula. Okay, yabo ukuthi lento isishayile nje okokuqala because we are not going to think about ama strategies ukuthi how do we get, let's say target market yethu njengoba siku Florida sihalela ukuthi kufika ama students because of ama price ethu okokuqala. But ama student amaningi awanayo imali etheni, abanemali makuphela inyanga okanye and then mase phakathi nenyanga yiphi indlela esingabakhipha ngayo ukuthi beze la. Yabo asinawo ama strategies ukuthi sihambe siye straight ebantwini so that lesa student mase siphuma ukuthi ku TikTok manje usuyenze yabalula abantu bacabanga ukuthi when you push content on TikTok then automatically people are going to come to establishment. Uyayizwa lo bese sikhohle futhi yabo bese sikhohle futhi ukuthi okay sebefikile ke kwi restaurant yethu mase befikile kwi restaurant yethu kumele si provide i service. I service e blind ichaza ukuthi kushuthi kumele sibe no wait aba blind aba well trained. Imali ukutrain umuntu wethu blind. But still nalabo wethu batholile uqashele abantu baselokishini ababeyifunela amatoho uyayazi attitude abantu abakanjalo. So in order for you to train those people ukuthi baba abantu abablind it will cost you a lot. And in order for you ukuthi uphoche uweta wakwenye indawo blind it will cost you a lot too. And we do not factor that in when we establish a restaurant yethu ukuthi yazi into ethu sidinga mhlambe noma oweta abo 5 bese sidinge nalo muntu ongazi ukuthi host yabo khona abantu mufika ema restaurant laba basuke besemnyango ukuthi umuntu mayefika ezo inquiry okanye phone ezo inquiry uthola exact the best service because iyona into edingayo kahle kahle ukuthi abantu bahlale kwi establishment yakho best service nokudla okublind but konke lokho kuyabiza. Ukumaintain ukudla okufresh akuyona inkantini akusinsango. Ukukhokhela wethu abanemali even noma ibusiness lingenzi kahle akuyona insango. Because during the week Florida ukubona Florida during the week sometimes kuyacwa sometimes nya. And if when une target market ama student phela ya attend abanesikhathi sama exam so uzo incorporate kanjani lokho. So it's all of those things yazi ngike ngibabuza abantu abanama business afailile ukuthi okanye afailaya ukuthi vethu why i-establishment yakhe blind but kunenteni athi umuntu hayi abantu abanamali. Ngihleke ngithi unamanga masingaye e-Starbucks manje khona abantu masingaye e-Humble Cafe manje khona abantu any time of the day. Masingaye eZai kukhona abantu masingaya e-Old Town Italy kukhona abantu masingaya eBoston kukhona abantu masingaya eSkyline kukhona abantu masingaya eBon Owl phezulu kukhona abantu. Those people aba understand the target market yabo by caterishele bese ba provide the service. Uma ufika eBon Owl for example let's say tennis court mhlawumbe ufica oweta abawu 5 ne barista if uku empty labo bantu bakhona still so that once ya reach capacity everyone is sorted. But now amanye ama restaurant uthola ukuthi azo reach capacity kukhona wethu abawu2 ne barista because laba abanye sibabekile because kudleka imali phela mabengasebenzi. We try to save cost. So now if we go into business like that let's understand if we want to open a restaurant in Florida we must make sure ukuthi at least it's no 100 million. Noma ngathiwa i restaurant yethu izoscosta ukuyi-establisha hey awucabanga nje ukuthenga iproperty Florida ukuthi mhlambe kuyimalini. If awuyithenganga cabanga irent yakhona yamabhizinisi from 40,000 to 100,000 inyanga leyo.
Limala mshana limala
ama rates nama levies asikhuluma asikakafiki nokufika. Do you get what I'm saying? So mes plan izinto asiyicabanganga yonke leyo nto asiyifactorethanga in ukuthi in as much as ibusiness lakho attempte ukuthi lizoshaya u10 million okanye ezokushayela imillion a month but wena uma uliqala bekumele ube no 100 lo 100 ukuthi wenze sure ukuthi even noma ama target market even noma i targets ani richanga i staff leso sayareshile siplan i stock si fresh lokho kwenzani ku build i goodwill ku build i clientele ku build kwenza abantu bakwazi ukuthi business lakho liqhube. That's amanye ama business ekwazi ukusustain ukusurvive ngalendlela ukuthi fethu usuyazi na fethu khona indawo yakuzona wazi kahle la Florida ukuthi into i-order lami ngiyalazi lizofika ilile into eliyona ashintshe akhatha and uma ufika futhi staff sakhona sikunikeza attitude ilento kunabantu abakanama customer kanjalo bo understand ukuthi kunama customer kanjalo sometimes. Mina manje eBon Owl ngiyazi manje ngiyofuna imokho ukuthi ngizofica ile taste mangiyofuna i-coffee ngiyazi ukuthi yabo hey manje mangicabanga ama-coffee shop mhlambe ku-Florida 11 or 13 ama-coffee shop but ngiya mhlambe 2 or 3 la ngifike ngi-order khona i-coffee because ngiyalazi ukuthi inali i-coffee engilihalelayo the rest siba ngangilinda ngingadlula ngingayicelela amanzi futhi because nasekudleni ngiyabazi ukuthi bayidasela ama-sandwich engingahlangene nawo so izinto ezikanjalo.
So helpful, eh?
So basically ilo thinking edingakalayo umenza into ungayi ngokuthi vethu ekune-traffic Florida sivula ibhizinesi zonye and ube nesifiso sokuthi hayi masingaqala ibhizinesi ngo-10 million uFlorida ngo-10 million uthi uqala ibhizinesi hayibo owabuke lamabhizinesi ala kuFlorida ukuthi aba-empty kangakanani uma ucabanga abakhosta malini ngenyanga bese ungitshela ukuthi u-10 million wakho uzolasta isikhathi esingakanani.
It's all right, ciao. All right, ciao, Nyagus. Yeah, we sustain le mpahla. Yodwa ukuthi udayise ukudla. Ngeke. Awu. Abaye nje kuwabona empty.
Ngene vele kulokhu nje.
Kodwa basakhona. Kodwa basakhona bawuparate.
Into ngishoyo nje.
Vele ufuna
Ubocaba ukuhlezi kuthule. Yabo kuthule the whole week. Hayi bona ke weekend ngiyathula kodwa le party isakhona. Kokhaja laba mfethu. Hayi ubotha. Bashaya. Ayike.
So injalo thina sishaye lezi zinto but ke ngingakhuluma ngathi ngi-expect I know nothing about these things but I nginama clues from ukufunda lezi zinto ze-psychology noku-understand ukuthi hey mfethu le ndaba ukuthi umuntu uzophuma nje kwakho wena ucabanga ukuthi khona umuntu ozophuma la ehleli khona azobhukha wena for a photo shoot umcharger le mali umcharger yona
ayenze la i-photo shoot dog like what does it take impela mfethu ukushaya isithombe because bese hey bayakhona bese baningi abantu bathi bashaya isithombe la phandle yabo so kuwena nje mfethu like the process can you take us kwi process nje ukushaya isithombe kubalekile mfethu ukuthi wazi ukuthi isithombe sinjani noma vele nje ushoot futhi uqala eghost manje sekukhona nezinto wazi uedita ngana ubothi hayi mangishaya isithombe nje ngizo-edita mina because yonke into icabanga ukuthini edit yona esokhona
yabo.
So how important it is even to understand, you know, like the whole thing you're shooting. Take us to that process. Since umshoot odumile
I think mina ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi ngi-understand photography ngifica ngise-university ne and ngifica ngise-university ngine-access kwi-internet ngangifunda ongoye so ongoye kunama-lab lawe internet uyakwazi ukuhlala ube ne-access ye-computer so that means u-YouTube galo and ukwazi ukudownloada kuze yebo so with that ngiyibone le mpahla e-photography ingibambe somewhere else but mangiyi-researcha ku-YouTube ngiyibone ukuthi hayi man no yamasha but khona abantu aba-blind kukhona nabanye abangekho blind hayibo why South Africa beshutha kanje why Nigeria beshutha iy'thombe okay not ukuthi beshutha why iy'thombe ze-South Africa zinje why iy'thombe zase-Nigeria zinje why iy'thombe zase-USA Italy phesheya zinje yabo and hayi ukuthi ngijahe ngifuna u-understand ukuthi angiyeni kuyona ngithi ngifuna ukwenza inyuka ngisayifan nje ngisayibuka nje ukuthi kwenzakalani then ngibuye ngize eMzansi why iy'thombe zama-celebrities zinje why iy'thombe zabantu aba-normal zinje like abantu aba-ordinary people why izithombe zenu nina zinje kuhluke ngani kuhluke abantu but uphinde urealize ukuthi hayi man lo muntu ushuthe i-celebrity but kwaphuma iy'thombe nje but uma eseshutha ubani kuphuma iy'thombe nje kwenzakalani why umehluko kuphi and then you get to understand yonke le nto and then ke ngathanda uku-editha iy'thombe then from eku-editheni iy'thombe ke ngazama ukumasterisha uku-editha iy'thombe but ngiyarealize ngi-editha iy'thombe ukuthi labantu engibuka kubona abashuthanga ngale camera engishuthe ngayo bashuthe ngikhamera blind so akusizi ukuthi ngibe ngifuna uku-editha njengabo kodwa ngishutha ngekhamera ephedayo so lapho already standard engqondweni sithi fethu if wena uthi you want to be good as them that means kumele usebenzise la ma-tools abawasebenzisayo fortunately ngahlangana no-Pay usiphephelo khanyile hey thank you mnganami ngiyabonga even namanje I still remember the day I first saw you fethu yo yazi cela ukupicture lapha enzi the day ngiqala ukubona uSiphephelo Khanyile mfethu sise hall esigela kune event eyenziwayo ba invite uMiss Unizulu uMiss Unizulu uyangena uMiss Unizulu ushaye ugqoke kahle ubandile mfethu ugqoke idress hey serious kukhona lo mjito omlandelayo I think uPe wafika washutha ngaphambili kwaqale kwangena uPe yabo uphethe i-backpack le backpack yami nginayo yabo le backpack yami uphethe isikhwama esingaka sicela umqolo singaka uphethe i-camera uphethe i D810 Nikon ushaya ngezoom lens lapha I think yayisuka ezantsi izifike ku300 ifocal length yakhona so ubhaza la le setup ayiphethe ngithi khona into enje la esigela ubandile ushizana
yena uMiss lo
imshuthe le uPe ngale imshuthe bese imlinde ibuye izomshutha ngemuva uyahamba uyawalk stage bese ahamba uPe ayohlala ngemuva wathi ehlala ngabe ngisuka kwisithi ngabe ngiyangena ngo ngithi Razo le mpahla iphethe ngiyibonile ku-internet ngeke bese ngicela ukuba umngane wakho athi afike officeini Monday nje kanjalo fika officeini la Monday ngo11 ngika physics department hoy uMonday mfethu ngifunda accounting yes indaba ethi accounting kulo weekend ayingenanga at all Monday nje ngi-attend ama-class ngiyazi ukuthi ngo11 kumele ungishaye u11 washaya ngisesicabheni wabethi umngane wami acela ungilinde kancane ngizokunakathi awubala khululeka ngizokulinda so lapho ke nisaqala and mangiyibona iCamera yakhe angikhombisa ngitshela ukuthi yini mangisuka nje kuyena ngiyongena ku-internet ngiyogooglisha le camera mangithi ngiyawachecka lamajita lawo engafollowishayo we-RGG-EDU basebenzisa yona le setup kunethekeni esebenzisa le setup ngithi hayi ke ngisedladleni mfethu awuna excuse so when uyakwazi uhambe ushoot isithombe ubuye uzosi-edita sizoba kanje buka ngibenchmark ngoba ngoqonqa wa-Orkant angibenchmark ngodaki waseGoli oBlandi okanye ibenchmark le eOrkant and then bese kukhona umjito ekuthiwa uFilen ine channel ekuthiwa uFilen ngiyamkhohlwa igama uNick wathi lo mjito lo but une channel ekuthiwa uFilen bafundisa uku-edita ngoPhotoshop qale lapho ke yabona ngiphethe uFilen ayikho into angayenze ngoPhotoshop lo mjito bese kube uRGG-EDU RGG-EDU program la baya go best photographer endaweni like for example bazoya ku best photographer waseGoli bese bathi bacela ilesson abenzele ilesson so bese bamvidorize they'll set up a whole team behind lo photographer kwenye nje episode kwenye crew vethu kunama videographers mhlamba u5 kunama crew iphelele yayi u15 bafocus nje kule class lo mjita lo ukuthi bahambe bamdocument enze photoshoot so already mindset vethu angikho kule nto yokushoot izithombe zase workshop zama graduation zokushoot ngibona lempahla futhi as a result ngaze ngathenga ne class la khona futhi ngalifunda nje ngabalandela nje yabona nje nginamajita khona
imalini mfethu dali imalini class
I think lalu 1.3 lali special ngithenge nge-Black Friday no lapho ngase ngisebenzile kwase la sekusebenzeka khona so back then ngangibabuka nje ku YouTube for free but ngiwa-download because banama clips abawa-releasayo okwazi you pick up something ngikuwona but for iclass eliphelele and then bese yabo but then ngakwazi ukulithenga ke class la Danny Diamond ngitheke nje shama portrait blind so they take you throughout the process yonke but ngangagxilanga kulona kakhulu bona ngangibathandela nje the way they move and then kufileni ke bese kube yilento i-editing so uyaqala lapho so uma ngifika eThekwini sengibonile ukuthi kunomehluko amajita wayekhona that time ashutha ama celebrities ngendlela thizeni ama-influencer ashutha ngendlela thizeni then abantu bese bashuthe ngendlela thizeni so wena uma ungasufika uthatha ama-influencer nabantu bashuthe ngendlela efana nama-celebrities usu-grand that's the gap nje kwi-market wena uma ungasenza sifane nama-celebrities iyona phela into esiyifunayo nje ila uthi uma usuyibuka khona i-culture luckily ngicabanga leyo nto vele i-culture siyashifta cause-ke umusu understanda lezi zinto ze-success you understand ukuthi kunabantu abathola a golden opportunity engaveleli nanoma ubani so ngifika naleyo mindset ukuthi ngifuna uku-editha ama-influencer nabantu abangibhukha ama-photoshoot njengama-celebrities kanti ne-culture siyashifta vele ukuthi abantu abaningi sebebukela kuma-influencer abasabukeli kuma-celebrity so i-stacks siyanyuka kanje ngirayida leyo training namuka hawu yabo so umusu nalo sengenzela-ke manje ukuzokukhombisa ukuthi the way ngisibuka ngayo isithombe ngisibukela lapho ukuthi you shoot an ordinary person but umenze ngazuthi celebrate
I get you.
ngingakushuthela ingane mina engena Instagram engena lutho but uma uyibuka isithombe sengisipostile uyobona hayi mfethu uyicelebrate la kuphenzani uthi ayifikela nje ingane ezisebenzelayo kade mhlawumbe celebrate birthday yabhukha photoshoot okanye kade ine graduation yabhukha photoshoot yabo so it's that kade yaqala but ke kwaba mnandi ukuthi igame yashintsha nabantu ke ba-adapt kushintsha esilenzayo yeah.
So that's you were selling them, dog, a lifestyle or a feeling yokuba a celebrity.
Really, I didn't look at it like that, but kukhona ibanayo nale yonto le because manje yes
because let's face it, you have turned a lot of influencers to become celebrities.
I've contributed.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Contributed to that. But with this understanding that I have, yeah, but kodwa kunye kumbuleka in hindsight, akumbuleki usakwenza, akuveli usakwenza, kuvela usukwenzile because even when I was shooting ama-influencers back then, I always tried to protect their brand more than anything. Mina ngingakuphotoshopela umuntu wesifazane ngeke uzubone ukuthi ngiphotoshopile. Uyabona kuke kwathi trend abantu ama-influencer ukuthi hayi lo uya-editha lo wenzani ama-influencer sokuthi uma edithile mhlawumbe i-hips kuzojeka something ngeke uzuyi-pick up lo nonsense esomeni sami. Ngihlala phansi ku-computer ngikubeke lo line baqonde kanje like ngingakhombisa zonke iy'thombe la ngi-adjuste khona izinqa nga-adjust i-hips nga-adjust umkhaba ngeke uzuyi-pick up lo mpahla clean into ukuthi uprotecta yabo no into ukuthi phela khumbula ukuthi uprotect i-brand ne-repetition but uyayibuilda at the same time that's why ngithi ngicontributile yeah
Kuthi ufaka lo mchitho.
Wena ukuthi awukwazi uhlale ukuthi phela awukwazi uhlale nami ngi-editha shepherd yabo ungathi uhlale nami ungacasuka kakhulu
Kasimnyaya lo uyelo osideseni i-cam lo wathi
shepherd ungacasuka kakhulu because I would focus on things ongeke uzuyinotice wena. Yeah. Only now abantu bezwa le information they can go back to my photos bazibuke ngendlela different. But before this ngeke you would never.
Yes. Uwe basula abanye basula oTupopo no Sheleni umuntu abemhlophe kanti unozokala. Scamless.
But kumele ngikuchazele kodwa ukuthi
yeah man.
So then that process iqhamuka vele from ama-celebrity indlela enza ngayo nabo Beyonce banawo ama-cellulites banawo ama-scars banazo izinto but mase bephuma ema-video nasey'thomeni you don't pick that up so then that is why nathi sisebenzisa le nto and also futhi umuntu obuka u-Instagram okanye uma ubuka isithombe mina as umuntu edithayo I take those things as a distraction because awusabuki lento esizama ukukukhombisana okanye sizama ukudayisela yona usubhizi ufocuse koTupopo kokiwi ema-hips inatshekile instead of just looking at what we're selling you whatever we're selling you at the time.
Oh yeah, that is
no mostly image.
Sure.
The image.
So you're selling an image.
Yes, yeah.
That's dope.
You create and sell an image.
Yeah.
Buy and sell.
So like, what also what I want to know, bro. You have worked with a lot of influencers, mainly basically ingane side. Angiyazi ukuthi le usabi masiyibuza. How is it like? It's been like, dog, working with ingane side. Amathi amaningi ahalela nje ukusondela kuona lezi ngane.
Yeah.
How njengomchita nje mfethu oyibuyele emakhaya mfethu and yeah what how lo mchita mfethu.
uthi yebo lo mjidi
Yeah, no, sengiya
okay
kokustart,
yeka
okay,
mfethu okay
angisho
yeke
kabi.
mfethu okay
No,
ngisuke
angisho kabi,
emakhaya
angisho kabi,
Why
dog.
isho njalo?
No, angisho
Why
kabi. Because
isho-
phela ama-out fethana yakhuthalo mshitelo angaphathi iy'ngane ebuya le, yabo? Kanti ayiphathe kunjalo ebuya le. Nina naba la elokishini ningayiphathi njengami. Ayizwa So, but how has it been like, dog, working on sets with the finest hands, dog? Or sithi ama-out masibuka lapha ku-Instagram bashaya ngama-following amangaka all over bahalelayo hlezi be-reacta ngama-heart lapha kodwa ngeke wasondele nje kubona. But when you have managed to work with these people and build brands, bro, abo nje from the scratch.
yo I think okokuqala kumnandi at some point bekumnandi kusamnandi namanje but sometimes kuba mnandi sometimes akube mnandi sometimes akujwayeleki because ubuhle abujwayeleki bethu kunokuhlala nawe angifuni uku-acta ngazi ukuthi ngingelosi kunokuqhamuka ingane eblind sizobabaza sobathi ukuthi yo iblind la ngani that's what I realized about beauty abujwayeleki noma ungawajwayela kanjani amathekeni that part nje angikhathali ungaba nelist amathekeni awu hundreds ablind makuqhamuka enye ongayazi eblind yo abujwayele angazi kanjani abujwayele ngeke ngizenze isigoro kanye ngizenze no
Hlezi isikhala.
hlezi sikhala so sikhala sonke
Khala sibaningi.
sikhala sibaningi
Khala wena.
sikhala nawe
Khala
yabona
kuyena.
umukhala yo ngikhala nawe but imehluko between mina nawe mase ngishuthile wena usubona lezi sengi-edithile yebo so ngeke sikhale ngokufana because mina sengiyazi ukuthi ngenzeni esithumbini yebo fana nodokotela oshaya i-BBL ukuthi angeke abe sakhala nje ngawo ngoba useyazi ukuthi yena wenzeni.
Wow. Ay, Moshe, ke
Sikhala sibaningi
Moshe,
sikakhali ngiyo
Awukhali wedwa man.
so it's something like that but akuyona into ejwayelekayo sometimes but ke ukuthi okay uma usaqala angeke kujwayeleke uma usaqala
yeah.
but inkinga enye into futhi eke yangisiza ngiqhamuke kwi-industry kudume kakhulu ukuthi ama-photographers ayayidlwengula ingane not ukuthi ayayidlwengula but ayayinukubeza iphatha kabi azenza zibe uncomfortable and ubuwabona amajide trend ubona ukuthi fuck khumbula mina ngisacrifice become accounting science for lento engiyenzayo angikwazi kuzotrendisa isketi as if anginaso is out sokuthi ngihamba ngiyoshela okanye ngithole yabo so with that in mind you are always conscious ngendlela owenza ngayo izinto yabo ukuthi fethu ukuthi enye into angifuni phela ukukhuluma nami ngathi manje ngiyinjako kanye ngiyingelosi no but kodwa you are always conscious ukuthi fethu whatever you do and amantombazana akanenkinga ukuthi yonke into ingahamba kahle manje
Sure.
mase ehlele endlini ehalela ukuthi hayi wena wenze into ukuthi ngama ngayisho leyo and there's nothing you can do about that because then isuka i-public opinion so now it is very important ukuthi abantu osebenza nabo baphathe kahle so that kube yibona abazokudefenda abazokukhulumela ukuthi hayi unkanyuso siyamazi khululeka uyabona for example khona la sake sangena khona nomunye umngane wami yabo khona amantombazana athi kanyuso wena why uzombuka lo muntu ngazi uthi nje omuhle kanje esexy kanje awukhanyelwa ngithi mfethu uyabona nawe ngiyabona mbuke kodwa usexy kanjani but still because once wadlalela lapho isijampini
Discipline.
isijampini
Discipline.
ukuthi
Jida wethu very
bengingafuni kuya lapho because manje
But it
ngizoyenza
is,
ngazi
dog.
ukuthi komunye umuntu ayi-achieveki komunye umuntu
Sure.
No, phela ngisikhuluma ngawe.
Yeah.
And le wena being disciplined. Ukuthi ukhona ukuthi ucontrol ubuwena, uhlukanisa ubuwena nomsebenzi.
yeah
Angithayiza because if ufaka unkanyiso
yeah
iasi ehlala nayo, sikhala nayo, sifake leyo nkanyiso emsebenzini.
Imashi.
Imashini yabo
Imashi
but
kakhulu.
ukwazi ukuthi uhlukanise lezo zinto zombili that's discipline first asinto yanombani
No, not really, because khona nabanye abakwazile ukuyi-achieve this level of control.
Sure.
Sengithi mangithi akusiyanomba sengisho ukuthi into efuna ukuthi uyikeleze efuna uyi-understand akuyona into ezovele ulala uvuka ukuthi sengizowenza kanje angithi ayibo leyo and lento it goes back ukuthini isuka nasedladlini nangendlela esikhuliswe ngayo nangendlela yokuyiphatha njengomuntu angithi yabo nawe njengobusho ukuthi the fear ukuthi ngishiye ngenza
so manje breadwinner mina edladlini
this thing doesn't work then what angithayeza ukukhumbula ukuthi and ispace osebenzisa kakhulu which is social media and abantu fethu they can put you up there and futhi mafuna ukudedela phansi phele nje ngawe angithayeza lona sikwazi ushaya ispan sakho blind yonke into grand so discipline ntwana ayi.
Yeah, because I want to join another question with what he's saying. Have you ever dealt with the client and, you know, shooter no, I know but if funama
interesting. Ubusa silwaneke man.
No, I've never dealt with into kanjalo. Cause inkinga kwandlela yokuthi ucommunicate nami ukuqala iba yiprocess nje leni. Akuyona nje into vele uqhamuke nje uthi ikanye uzashoot eksasa. Ngakuzudisela nje mina sisami ungikazazi ukuthi ufuna ukushuthana because kumele wazi ukuthi ufuna ukushuthana wazi ukuthi lento ufuna ukuyishutha imalini ngeke so awuzi uzo umuntu ongena clue ukuthi ubuplane kanjani ukukhokha no hayi uza nje une clue ukuthi hey i-arts there
uyacecisa
charge imali ngakho le arts charge imali ngakho and sizobe sishuthele endaweni yokuthi ayikho into esisendaweni yokuthi uma ukuthi sishuthele endaweni yokuthi uthi uyafika e-studio khona uma oledi hayi uthi uyafika ke-studio hayi ungakhumula uzibe nqunu wenze into ehaleni khona uma oledi ungatheka noma ufuna ukuthi khona uma oledi. You can do the craziest thing you want to do.
Expandela la mpahla la
too much.
Hello mama lo ya.
Too much.
Yamsiza zakho.
Too much. Yabo ukuthi lapho kai izinto engayixoxisa.
So have you also worked with the client that ubona ukuthi lo muntu lo fethu uyinkinga. Like uyinkinga ngakho konke fethu complaina kuningi nje fethu like literally they drive you crazy as if like awazi umsebenzi wakho.
Hayi ke ngiyabona ke fethu ke lokho I think ngizama ukumasterisha the past ngiqale ukunothisa kahle njengoba bengisho ukuthi mase ngene emabhukwini sengiqala sengiunderstand abantu that's when I start understand ukuthi okay so lempahla esiyenzayo abantu abayibuki ngalendlela esiyibuka ngayo
Sure.
So indlela engcono ukuthi umuntu mayefuna ukubhuka uqala understandise lento so that nibe ku page at least la nibuka khona ngendlela eyi1 lento so that is why beku easy ukusebenza nama influencer okanye nabantu ababukela kuma influencer because it's like bane clue kule mpahla yesithombe akuyona into vele ufike nje uyenze okanye ufuna isithombe esiblind akuyona into vele ukhiphe iPhone kushoot isithombe esiblind iba iprocess so in order for that process ukuthi be smooth then kumele sithole indlela ezokuexplainela ngayo wena usabhuka so that lapha ama expectations zakho angithi wena ufike kunkanyiso oshuthe celebrity thizeni uso wamenza waba kanje and then manje nalomuntu usefuna ukufana no so but wazi kahle ukuthi meke ibuku esibukweni akafani no so
kodwa
yayizwa leyo so manje uthi omunye umuntu uzokusendela isithombe athi hey mina ngifuna ukushutha ngifane nalo sisi lo cela ukushutha isithombe esikanje yabo mhlawumbe kusendele mhlawumbe isithombe sesilende imodel egqoke ingubo e6 yena uthi uyambona sister this is not make sure yabo and then now you must try and find a way to communicate that prior because umusu ushuthile yangaphumi le nto ebeyifunile fana nokodi ingubo online umuntu awodi ingubo online because beyibone kwi catalog igqokwe umuntu wesize sizeni yena usize yabo mase ifika abesathi hayibo ngoba ngiodele shambles akhohle ukuthi uyiodile so ayifaka ku So into enjalo so manje you have to try and communicate all of those things.
Sure.
Yabo not ukuthi udila nama expectations abantu. I think once udile nabantu kakhulu I understand it. That's when you try to understand what we can't assume when you do things. Udila nomuntu you can't assume.
Yeah.
Pretend as if akazi noma ngathi uyazi.
And also that is separate because it's like a consultation, basically. And
Yeah.
you should be charging for that. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause
Azobaleka ke eThekwini.
Inkinga.
then you show up.
eThekwini asikakafiki.
Yeah.
Hayi eThekwini bazokubaleka uzothi yabiza wena. Hey, ubeka kancane imali engaka. Yakubaleka. Sebengamanye bathenga ama design kunokuthi bakhokhele wena. Bangayishutha ngama iPhone kunokuthi bakhokhele wena.
Yeah, but why though? Because you know your work. You are some servants of corporate. You know exactly what are you doing and you keep on you know. At the end of the day, it's not like we are Funsela, you know. I mean, you've been taking us through a process with how much that it took for you to even understand.
So when it comes to then marketing and sales, kunama okay, mhlawumbe kuma sales kunezinto ezi5 I think kumele uyiunderstand ukuthi why abantu bethenga something okanye why bengayithengi something. So umunye umuntu akazi ukubooka because ucabanga ukuthi akayona i-target market one. Umunye umuntu akazi ukubooka because akakwazi at all. There's possibility ukuthi abantu and as much as 100k followers but there's a lot of people abangangazi.
Sure.
Like une capacity yokuthi unga reach 2 million.
Sure.
Then for you to be comfortable and say maybe abantu bayangazi. So
Sure.
there's that. And then kunamuntu ongeke akubooke because akakwazi ucharge amalini. And ama prices ethu aswa communicate. Yabo? Omunye umuntu uthengene page nje athi uyabiza unkanyisa. And then omunye umuntu angazama ukuconsulta. Yabo? But musu umsendela le information lengizama ukuyichaza manje ukuthi this is emeseke ibone umdandi leshambu zabona anginazi isikhathi salempahla. Yebo? So ilezo zinto lezi ukuthi abantu bayakwazi bacabangani perception ngawo. Then that's when they can make a decision ukuthi umuntu akubooke, yabo? And kubaleke kangakanani ukuthi umuntu akhiphe imali yakhe azoyispenda kulento yenzayo, yabo? Because now yabona with i-level i-photography eseyikuyona yazi abantu sebeyakwazi ukuthi ba-sacrifice ukwenza i-birthday. Umuntu ahamba ayozenzela i-photoshoot.
Yeah.
Angayenzi nje i-birthday, ahamba ayozenzela i-photoshoot. Do you understand ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani lokho kuwena as a photographer?
Yeah.
Ukuthi lo muntu
This is
sacrifice
the birthday
celebrate
celebration.
i-birthday yakhe.
Sure.
Wazi ukwenza i-photoshoot nawe.
Sure.
Omunye azayenza i-photoshoot nawe ngosuku lakhe lokuzalwa. My G, ama feelings akho ukuthi ufila kanjani ngingena. Ngoba wena nangu umuntu ekumele wenze sure ukuthi right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but hayi ukuthi sonke sinaleyo understanding sama photograph and hayi ukuthi sonke siyenza lento ngepassion. Hayi ukuthi sonke siya understand human psychology. Hayi ukuthi sonke sihalela ukuprovide a good customer experience. We are not customer sisenza lezi zinto lezi for izathu ezingafani. Umunye abanye bethu basafuna ukondla imindeni yabo. Abanye basafuna kunamaphupha basahalela uku-achieve. Abanye this is just a fucking hobby, bro. So noma ngaba nekhanda liqine kangakanani uyi-client, I do not have to deal with you. Yabo? But we've dealt with some client. But most of the time, isikhathi anzima, but most of the time nababazi because if they knew bebengeke babe naleyo nkinga leyo ukuthi bebengeke bakufakela i-pressure because khumbula ke umuntu ohalela ukusuka kube ezostressana nawe. They'll do that because they do not understand and they do not know. And umuntu meseke understand ukuthi yazi for a creative to work at its best, idinga atmosphere okanye energy relaxive. Then lo muntu angakwazi ukungikhiphela lento eblind. But mase ngimstressa, mase ngimsebenzisa under pressure, uyi-creative phela ekugcineni kosuku, angeke akwazi ukunginikeza the best experience that they can give. Yabona enye into futhi kumele uyi-understand thina kumele uqale ustresswe i-lighting, kumele uqale ustresswe ama-camera settings. Lo muntu akakwazi ukuphoza. Mhlambe unama insecurities thizeni. Generally ama insecurities wakhe akakwazi kuba phambi kwabantu abese nama insecurities womzimba futhi. Mhlambe umunye uthoka ukuthi kwangubo kwa makeup kwa inwele zimess. You have to deal with that on the spot.
Hey, uningi.
Yebo?
Yeah, I'm serious. Nah, I'm serious, bro. There's a lot. Like you're finding what daughter. There's so much that you have to do because you have to make sure lo muntu lo uyaphila. you know uba ilento ayifunayo yena
ayibonile ukuthi khona enye impahla engike ngayibhala ensukwini but angiyipostanga because namanje mangase ngichaze ngeke ngikwazi ukuyichaza ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukushaya isithombe esiblind yabo but in order for me ukuthi ngishaye isithombe esiblind somuntu even nesithombe sakho but esiblind kumele ngikuthathe ngikufake kwi-environment la ungayicabangi zonke inkinga zakho remove wonke ama-distractions physically and mentally so that we can be kwi-space la sikhona sobawu-2 and then in that space that's where noma wena wafika kumina ungakwazi kuphoza kushaya isithombe esiblind do you get what I'm saying so kumele ngikuthathe ngikufake kuleso space ukuthi we are present sobawu-2 sikule moment sobawu-2 but still kule present I can still get the best of you then that's when I can capture you bese khona enye couple eke yafika last week yabo liqale kwafika i-time time angalibona ukuthi ngathi the street because angi-understand ngishaya ama-jokes nawo ngo-understand ngazi ukuthi u-serious ngazi ukuthi uyajoke umuntu umuqala ukumbona um-understand u-Mr. Sithole yabo u-Mr. Sithole lo baba and angangakwazi ukumreada kahle because I'm trying to understand but I'm like okay simple rule okanye simple principle relaxa take it as if lo muntu does not mean any harm makukhona into understand ukuthi it's not coming from a bad place whatever izobiphuma again and then try ukuthi environment e-studio that's why ngithanda ukusebenzela e-studio because then I can control the environment mostly nge-aircon nango-music ukuthi wenze show ukuthi umuntu comfortable like bande kakhulu wanye akushise kakhulu sometimes phela-ke ama-aircon abanenkinga bese ungakwazi ukwenza ezinye izinto anye umuntu afike ejulukile but ithama lafika la relaxa ngadlala ngalibuza ukuthi lithanda muphi music la ngangitsheli yabo ngadedela i-R&B yabo hawu mangidedela i-R&B kanti ngishaya khona ngqo but alikwazanga ukuthi lingikhombise immediately but ngayiyeka i-R&B ngaqhubeka ngenze lento engiyenzayo but while ngenza lento engiyenzayo ngisa-engage naye siyayixoxela senzani ngiyasetapha ngiyamchazela ukuthi no ngisetapha ama-lights manje kanjani naye ngixoxele ngezinto zakhe then fika ufro cause ebelate and fika ufro hayi sixoxe naye abe right hayi fethu uyabona I think kwaba awkward for the first few moments yabona khona la ngabathola khona at best usubabona ukuthi yabona ke manje bayilento ke mabesendlini asikho se-studio manje bayilento bona fethu ngajabulani ngale ukuthi yes this is the space where you need ukufaka abantu kusona anyone umuntu akadingi kuphoza phambi kwecamera fethu udinga ukucaptureisha yena ubuyena bakhe but mostly ama elements akha blinding that's why I struggle a lot ukushuthi ingane ezincane mhlawumbe ingane na1 because ifika ingane encane ilethwa umzali akayazi ingane ithanda yiphi toys ayazi ithanda ziphi ingoma akayazi idlaliswa kanjani akayazi ihleka kanjani sekumele silibele sibizana nonini man
and unene owazi
onini kusondezwa bona yabona then as a result bese ngingathanda ukuthi ngishuthe ingane ezincane because manje ufuna mina manje angakayifundi kahle hle psychology yeingane because kukhona indlela khona abantu abablind abakwazi ukudlalisa ingane bazifake kwi-element mina ngikwazi
you touch on something also like when you're mentioning indaba enyuku bro because I don't know ikhona imali lempahla
photography phila ngayo mfethu
no like ikhona imali
ngiphila ngayo ayilikho into engilenzayo ngibadlika into kushoot ayikho into engiyenzayo
but roughly nje uyawenza malini ngenyanga
I would really like to disclose that
roughly
but I think angingekwazi ukudisclosela mina ngokwami but
no you don't have to
but if photography mfethu uyakwazi ukwenza u10 ngenyanga upwards then you can keep it yourself.
That's good money.
Because khona la ngaze ngasho khona komunye umjito engibuza when was it? Dala ngabo 2021 kanje. Engibuza ukuthi inabe photography kanjani ngithi yazi kwi-photography ungathola umsebenzi ongakukhokhela i-bank balance yakho.
Sure.
No matter how much your bank balance is, ungathola i-project engakukhokhela lo mali ese-bank. Bakukhokhele for a specific project. So that is why kungekho nzima kungekho lula ngisho nokuthi uzifocus in terms of ipackage. Abanqeni kufika bakunikeza umsebenzi manje we-million. So ayishiya umsebenzi we-meter. Yabo mawusho kanjalo umunye umuntu angacabanga ukuthi nginamanga khona i-contract engayibona i-photography ya 10 million for a year. 10 million photography contract.
balekile lokho kusho because manje kunokuthathana kancane abokho umuntu ethi la manje ukushootha isithombe ngazi bo10 uzuthola icontent
hayi phela uma ubathatha kancane manje especially in this day and age social media babuka indlela abagqoka ngayo ungazi ubheka izinto eziningi because ngeke bakukhombise even noma begqokile bagqoka oblack but pay attention to izinto abayigqokayo ngeke sometimes ngeke bakukhombise izindlu kanye imoto kanye bheka nje indlela abagqoka ngayo ukuthi hayi nina abafana nenamanga
so inyuki ikho
hayi yabona futhi lezi zasegoli ziyakukhombisa ukuthi vethu zingafika kwishoot yesonto lonke with different Elvis sneakers zikuphula phela nje straight into serious hayi indaba okudlala eThekwini iphotography ene LV ngazi ku Ace injaya
makashula phethu
so zinjani hayi ziyakuphula phela no ziyakuphula khona imali so lokho ngikusholo ukuthi even nomzali onentwana ethi ufuna ukwenza iphotography angayisabeli in terms of sustainability agcine seke investor kancane because ubona ngazi ukuthi i-career ithatheka kancane in this day and age i-content fethi ya move content is king now.
The industry on its own right now.
Yes. Yeah. So ingane nje mithi ufuna ukushaya photography understand ukuthi izoyishine you don't have to worry but uma usupport kahle even nobhuti wakho umephupha kuba but kubalekile ke kodwa uthathe eliphupha lelo phupha engaliphuphela izinto ezirong engaliphuphela ukuthi kunamantombazana engaliphuphela ukuthi kunestyle okanye kunemali okanye kunama celebrity kune exposure aliphuphela ukuthi ngifuna ukuba blind I always encourage ukuthi umuntu mayifuna ukuba iphotographer kanye videographer kanye ba content creator I think your first aim ukuthi ube blind ngalendlela ukuthi you are undeniable abakwazi ukucomparison nabantu qala ube blind lapho and then everything else will fall like playing soccer like playing any other sport awudingi kuba i-favorite ka-coach awudingi kuba i-favorite ye-influencer thizeni awudingi kuba i-favorite ye-celebrity thizeni no those tricks work vele ukuthi i-coach's favorite izothola ischeme yabo but lono blind mhla wafakwa
yocala
bambhentshisa bezwa nabo ukuthi no somfaka ngomzuzu ka-90 ngoba siyazi so injalo whatever we do
coming to that like, do you think namashitala eThekwini niyathola i-respect compared to lama choose
when it comes to photography
kuma uba blind manje you think nje
ekubeni blind unfortunately mina ke ziya ngaze zasegoli zonke ukuthi awunkanyiswa uyayenza lento yakhe hayi ziyazi yabo yes because siyakwazi ukucompete kuma stages where
neyodwa
inkinga iphotography ke idila kukhona ilevel we recharge la izodila ne yini kambe lento le preference kukhona level le dealer ne preference ukuthi then awusakwazi kuba ngcono kunami because sekuhluka izitayela but technically masingangena e-studio kuthi one light shy portrait khishwa ama lights awu 11 kuthi shy portrait bayazi ukuthi no unkanyisa ngasimela singambeka nje sithi akasirepresent and futhi angayishaye yedwa futhi because sike simbone washa ama video yayishaye yedwa isetup yamalamba awu6 okanye awu8 okanye awu11 so into kanjalo so then ke bese kube ne preference ke because sinama followers abantu basifollowishela for izinto ezi different and then abantu besacabanga ukuthi because upopular ungcono kunomunye yabo and egoli banenhlanhla ukuthi ba exposed kuma celebrate so wena ukushutha ama celebrate awu5 awu6 ucabanga ukuthi ungcono but uyazi ukuthi utshela abangani bakho ukuthi ungcono because ngala ngeke ukwazi ukuzotshela mina ukuthi ungcono ngeke akubona usha ama lights serious ngibe ngiyibona ilighting yakho ukuthi iyateka even noma ushuthe wathi art lento yenzile because phela there are still rules there are still rules with photography we break those rules but still there are still rules and principles you awukwazi ukushutha isithombe ngelight ebheda bese uthi art no kumele usichazele ukuthi le light nje kuyibeke la you are trying to achieve this style then that is why kuyi art awukwazi ukuthatha ilight uyibeke ilight eyodwa uyibeke phambi kwemodel kanje uthi wena bowenza art that is flat lighting we need to know ukuthi when you are going for a flat lighting so then why you edit kanje why shadow yakho manje siyenza kanje why kwenzeka ukuthi then you need to explain all those things lama technicalities la most of them get shame
but asivumi ukuthi amashida sithola Antwerp
angeke ngithi amajita aseThekwini ngeke futhi khona abadluliselayo naseThekwini
sure kodwa mawusubuka nje
bakhona abadluliselayo ukuthi nje thina so besingahlala comfortable kwi-sport esiphezulu if not besinama celebrity la eThekwini esiwashutha njalo
okay
yeah besingahlala kwi-sport esicomfortable but
it's getting better.
Angifuni ukukhulumela abantu engazi ukuthi bayangidlisela namshe phakathi. Uma ngifaka ku-position enjalo. Angisho khona ezinye izinto ezingidliselayo.
But sengisho mawusubuka ke wena.
Singaba
kuma-out.
Fethu singaba ku-position engcono fethu but uyabona kodwa ukuthi ama-out sometimes anokuvela kwenzela into ongaboni kahle ukuthi I know.
Sure.
Uthi bra wami ngeke you could have done better. Uyazi ukuthi sikhompyutha nabantu abaserious. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi benchmark ngiyona ngisho negoal for me. Bona uthola ukuthi benchmark igoal basahlangisa ama-photographer asegoal then what am I going to say to that person? Yabo? Ngeke ngithi lo muntu hayi asambe nawo uzosimela. There are only few guys engazi kahle ukuthi wena mangingakushiya la zingaminca nazo. Into kanjalo. But not to say ukuthi manje ngizokhulumela and most of those people abantu engi-interactile nabo nabantu engikwazile ukuthi ngicontribute ku-skill sabo. Yeah.
So you think big brands like in South Africa do recognize photographers in Durban?
No. Ama-big brands hayi. Ama-big brands phela dlalele influencer izinto ezi-different eningi. So for example, ama-big brands azokuchoose wena as a photographer because ushooter. Okay, it comes back to the basic human psychology. Ukuthi abantu abaningi even phela nabo labantu abakuma brands.
Sure.
Abathanda ukwenza i-research eserious etheni okanye deep. Kunama click and run shortcuts abawasebenzisayo now. Kuthi wena since ushoot ama celebrity that means ublind, that means uvuniwe.
Sure.
Yabo? So kunalezo zinto lezo ze-psychology kumele uyi-understand.
Sure.
Ukuthi once wenza into ukuthi that means kufana nokuthi skip uma ufike esibiza wena usucabanga ukuthi equality. Kanti zokushayela i-ray effect uma usuwasha naleso skipper leso
unyiwe.
Yabo? So into kanjalo ukuthi then musu understand lezo zinto so realize ukuthi okay nane skin color ke ama brands kune skin color abasithembayo because lesi sinye sesibadicilele phansi kakhulu.
Kanjani bro?
For example abona ama brands okanye ama companies eThekwini they would prefer to work with abantu abamhlophe.
Sure.
Because abantu abamnyama ababanikezanga experience right. Okanye ababathembi at all. However, what that does is iqhubeka inikeze experience labelungu. Abantu abamnyama engabanikeze experience. We do not get exposed to exshooting ama brands because asithembakali. Even noma sekuthabenza izinto ezincane ama campaigns e-budget encane for us to prove ourselves. They do not trust that much. Okay, unfortunately I've been kuma boardrooms and I've done imisebenzi emikhulu. Okay, at least mhlambe kukhona ukuthembakala okukhona. But mangase kuthiwe inkanyiso woza ne-team yakho ephelele. So mangithi woza ne-team ngikhuluma i-photographer, mina, ngize ne-light tech, ngize ne-assistant, ngize ne-makeup artist, ngize ne-hairstylist, ngize ne-stylist in general. I-stylist le umuntu ozogqokisa phosisa kuthini bese ngize nomuntu ke ozokwenza sure ukuthi yonke into i-project ihamba kahle umuntu labo bantu laba abawu7 as much as amanye ama role ekhona emaningi or else bese on top of the mhlambuze ne-advertising agents i-brand ezokhuluma nayo bese uze namanye ama-influencers so that if siyayirana le campaign via wena then siyayazi ukuthi izoba i-success yonke so kuleyo value chain leyo somehow kumele kube khona oqonqa. So if ukhona oqonqa majority from agents because eThekwini ama agencies abantu abamnyama mancane akhona focus kwezinye izinto. So if kwi value chain kukhona oqonqa uzongena phi wena uzongena kanjani lapha? Ngoba phela kumele sihlehlise yonke it. So then that is why eGoli wabona futhi nabanye odaki bekwazi ukushayela ama campaign aserious because for example a company like Duma Collectives and other agencies igijima nje ngodaki esirepresentile nje true and true i-projects i-campaign bayibamba from start kusakhulunywa ne-client kuze kuyophumwa ukuthi iy'thombe zibe kwi-billboard uze uhambe uyothenga leyo product esitolo because i-campaign bayirane from A to Z thina so that's how far behind you are. Ngeke kuqhamuke wena usuyi-photographer usuyabizwa usuzosebenza ne-team egcwele abelungu aba-15 and the campaign it dependele kuwena phela.
How are you going to be comfortable?
It dependele kuwena i-campaign.
Pressure.
Yodwa.
bona bakuthemba to what extent mabekunika icampaign
Trust.
icampaign
Bawazi.
masithi icampaign ungacabanga ukuthi sikhuluma ngo100,000 mhlawumbe sikhuluma ngo10 million or 20 million woku-advertiser yonke le product lena esithi siyayiphusha la kumele sithembe wena ukuthi uzoshuthela iy'thombe ezi-blind kuphi khona la ngeke mfethu sino Steven thine kade sayiqala naye le mpahla siyazi ukuthi umeshuthe ukuthi kuphuma ukuthi masithi akashintsha uSteven make scrossa siyazi ukuthi sizomtholaphi uma singase simfonele manje sesinenkinga la utho ukuthi akasavukanga bese icall time u6 siyazi ukuthi sofonela unkosikazi wakhe ukuthi hey baba sivusele lo azi lezi so kunalezo zinto kunaleyo trust so that is why musukhala complain ngalezi zinto ezincane eziphethu ngacomplain but if I understand yonke then uzoba senkingeni uzothi sivalelwa ngaphandle kanti hayi enzani into yenu so that is why with the team that I try to build I try ukukhuluma nama-artists bafethu siba u10 asingashuthi soba u10 oyedwa wethu akenza into ukuthi oyedwa akenza but still abafuni okanye abangeke bayibone phela ivision abanayo ivision wena umuntu onevision wena uphiwe ivision because wena usukwazile ukuhlala kuma boardrooms wayibona lezi zinto lezi uthi ababona izinto abazidiscussayo abelungu bezama ukurun icampaign etarget abantu abamnyama ubona ukuthi ayikhulumi nje noDake le mpahla lezama la ngeke izilende use boardroom uyayibona kodwa ngeke ubatshele ngoba phela wona usubizwe kwi-stage sokuthi kumele kuyoshutha initiate kade iplaniwe le shambuzi sayibona ukuthi la noma ningayenza le billboard yeni ngeke izilende ebantwini abamnyama ngeke izifike and ukhumbula ama companies atarget abantu abamnyama because ithina ama majority buyers and uzotargeta uqoqa kanjani ethi target market yakamasha engakazayi nakamasha ufika onlimeze sipana phuma hamba yebo aka understand ukuthi kuneyitezi manje akusewona ama RDP aka understand ukuthi kuphusha istyle sangempela manje amajita aqoka ikipa zase-Italy okanye ikipa eyibizayo kanye iLVC shower budlapha aka understand so acabanga ukuthi kamasha ile zayikhathi apartheid abantu basadansa basabraya ngoChristmas aka understand istyle ukuthi sesishintshe kakhulu ubokubabone bonke mabe advertise
14 edlala ngamakesi
yes yangithi izona izinto abayibona mabe emsebenzini okanye mabedlula okanye babone amanye ama-ads come on so then i-ghost iba lapho then ungayi-understand lezi zinto then wethu uzokhala ucomplain uthini but it's a lot that we need to do and we have a long way because you have to think like this nibe bawu-10 but how do I think like uNkanyiso ngingakaze ngibe se-boardroom okanye ngingakaze ngifunde lezi ncwadi ayifundayo ngibe ngi-exposed kulezi zinto engi-exposed kuzona ngibe ngisafuna ukuba i-breadwinner edladleni because edladleni siyahlupheka edladleni
with different goals also
fethu siyahlupheka edladleni wena ubhizi uhamba uyoshuthana nama-podcast every day okanye uyoshuthana ne-content every day usicela imali yokugibela mhlawumbe usicela imali yani la siyahlupheka still sohluphekiswa wena engabe uthatha ikhamera uhamba uyoshutha ukhokhele uhambisa imali endlini it's that it's as simple as that you take the shortcut and becomes longer indlela ke indlela it becomes ivele ibende kakhulu uthi bethu ucabanga masingahlangana sibe bawu-15 nje sishaye agents yabantu abamnyama imali esiyidlala lapha Shapiro sinikeza ibudget ya-100 million kuthi bafethu le campaign le products I've been fortunate ukwazi ukuthi mfethu utshele ukuthi yabo le product lena Nkanyiso esizoyi kune project esifuna ukuyilauncha next year it's the first product that is going to be international ezobe yenziwe eSouth Africa so manje sizodinga i-team ezokwazi ukuthi irun i-create lawo ama-campaign bese iyawarana bazokuthemba kanjani wena with that kind of a budget because now sekumele utarget an international audience akuseyona phela i-product yala eMzansi product ekumele iphume iyodayiswa ko-Nigeria ko-Kenya koba na-Orkant khona ama-products asemzansi adayisa phesheya manje kumele ihambile kumele i-export when kumele sithembe wena nge-marketing marketing agency yakho usuyistadishe nini market yaseNigeria njengoba ubhizi udlalana no-TikTok usuyistadishe nini market yaseKenya wamstadisha nini nje ukuthi eKenya abancanywa nini abayincanywayo
Sure.
masingase kuthe siyayidayisa le mpahla singayi-advertise kanjani ama-billboard aseKenya blind map akuphi umgaqo wayistadisha nini nje leyo wena-ke njengoba ubhizi uTikTok nje uhleka ama-security dance ecula lapha ku-TikTok. No, I think ukuthi sinesikhathi sokwenza zonke lezi zinto lezi. Yabo, we have time. We do have time to do all these things. Ukuthi sigroove ngama-weekend senzeni.
Yeah.
But I think umuntu okwangibekela yona kahle lento le. Umuntu owathi wayibeka yacaca wathi mfethu abantu abaningi aba-understand ukuthi leli golide lingaphansi komhlaba manje alisenayiveli itheni serious.
Yeah.
Igolide li-serious lila. Unfortunately kunabantu abaningi abalele negolide la engqondweni but abafuni ukucabanga ababhizi badlalana no-TikTok balayikana ney'thombe zamantombazana anqunu ku-Instagram abanye amantombazana athukhaya abafuni kuhlala bacabange umuntu uma engasayivalele endlini acabanga uvela acabange ba-depressed yena ubanjani akafuni kuba creative akafuni stimulate ingqondo yakho ukuthi ibe creative ibe nama-ideas uba ne-discomfort eserious kabi uma engayicofanga ifoni for 1 minute.
But how do we make people to understand that though?
Kanjani?
Yona leyo ukuthi ekuse how do I
Wena ubatshela ukuthi bayinyoni njengoba bebhizi namafoni bacontrola i-algorithm. Bacontrola i-algorithm. Mfethu njengoba yazi ukuthi lento njengoba le ngiyichaze kwasekuqaleni mfethu. Yabo amafoni nama-social media. Into eyaplanwa kudala. Ukuthi once sakubamba kayi-1 yabo uma uvuka ekuseni once wacofa ifoni
Marshall
right that day off zitshele nje ukuthi uselivini wavuka ekuseni wacofa ifoni zitshele nje ukuthi that day wena uselivini angikhathali noma ungakhuluma uthini kuma-comment akuthuka ku-TikTok kule video wazi nje ukuthi wena uselivini uzodila nami ku-TikTok lapha ngikho-ke ku-TikTok ngishaye ividiyo ngaphuma kanjalo. Do you get what I'm saying, Jimmy? Ngikho mfethu uyazi nawe siposte video yatrend ubucabanga ngizobuka wonke nama-comment ngobani waye kumele ngihlale ku-social
Waste time, bro.
so
Yeah.
sina ngcono sibe la siba-create i-content yabo ibe i-entertainment but bangasifaki izinto zabo ma-comments ebengakhomenta bodwa abantu
Yeah.
but till one day ba-realize ukuthi ibona nabo kumele bakwazi ba-own ama-means of production babe strategical nge-content yabo ba-create i-content e-engaging ezokwenza abantu bakhulume balike bathini then they stand a better chance in life but otherwise nje ma besakwazi ukukhomenta ngey'nwele zami hayi ni-busy ni-busy enye into ekumele uyi-understand Shepherd ukuthi I've tried to help a few people. I've tried. But and angifuni ucabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma mangithi I tried angisho ukuthi mhlawumbe sengigive up.
Sure.
still trying?
I'm still trying. I spend a lot of money trying to help abantu. Ukusiza nje general. But still.
Yeah. Do you think because you touch on something, Doc, that I'm still struggling to process it. Then Doc says about Uti.
Njengoba bengichaza ke Shepherd, unfortunately uma ungasizi you'll be alone at the top.
Yeah.
Lonely at the top.
Yeah.
Yabo Shepherd, mina mangadecide manje ukuthi hayi kuseclaim sengifuna abantu abacabanga njengami, that means ngeke ngibe nabangani. That means now nje ngeke ngihlale nawe. That means nje ngama-chiteni amachiteni ke ngibuyisele emuva. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No, is ukhendisa usho kanje. So hayi ukuthi because at least wena ngiyakwazi ukuhlala noTed because we share a common goal ukuthi mfethu kunezinto esiyibuildayo, kunezinto sifuna ukuba blind, we aspire to do something, then we can get to have those conversations. In between then we can be ignorant for all we like. Yabo? So if awuvusa abantu ukuthi hey bafethu let's go get the bread, you'll be there at the bread doing what now with the bread? You got the bread,
Then what?
then what now?
Angishephatha eze noPoloni.
Yeah, zakeze mfethu. Sondela na 10,000 erama mfethu. Sibasingahlangana.
Keep sandwich.
Please awuze nejuice lapha.
Mfethu.
Candies awuphathe noma itray at least okanye umbese kusika lesinga.
Mfethu.
Then that's when you get to enjoy that success. That is why abantu abaningi aba-successful behleli bodwa bebhorekile bezimbala. Umuntu ayithenga imansion ibe mhlawumbe 5 rooms or 20 rooms ibande qa. Inkinga mhlawumbe nina abanye abantu ababuka le video abakaze ba-understand kunemizi ongena kuyona ibonza iblind ngaphandle ukuthi angena phathi ibanda. Ayibandi ngoba kubanda ngaphandle.
Iyabanda.
No, ibanda.
It's not warm,
Iblind injalo.
Yeah.
As into ethi warmth nje. Nawe kumele usebenze
home
uhambe.
feel.
Nawe kumele usebenze uhambe. Umnikazi wayo uyazama ukukuxoxisa la yabo say brother.
Indlu, mfethu.
Indlu le yagoduka la indlu
Akuyona
yakhe.
ikhaya.
Yebo yes. Abantu abadecide bona ukuthi hayi sizokhuphuka soda. Sikhuphuka soda. Hayi jumpa. Kulonke ngempela sizomubhayisa.
Yeah, no.
And awufuni ukuhamba kakhulu ubuye uzolanda abantu abasezantsi kakhulu kumele uthi umkhulu usuyibona ukuthi okunento ekhulayo la
Lokuthi ba.
khule nabantu
Yeah.
noma ungaba ahead but khula nabantu itohle serious
Itoho phela but yo.
yeah simashe kakhulu
Yeah, itoho kodwa hey.
ibalekile
Iyayibalekile. Ngoba ngisho ukuthi also ukubeka nje mfethu amagama laphana for people ukuthi yonke into ibekiwe laphana information lapha.
Sure.
Oyidingayo onendlebe uzozwa uzothatha lo khambelana naye akusebenzise. Angithi yabo?
Yeah.
Beka nje wena laphana amagama. Whoever needs or think they need, they'll take and use it.
Yeah.
Havethu
Asatamisa.
ucabanga ukuthi masingaphosta le clip yakusho lento le ku TikTok bazoyilalela. Bese ngikupostele isithombe sethekeni mina sexy manje. Ucabanga ukuthi bazolalela bazobukana. Senikahle ba. Ibale phana.
No, but what you're saying is really true, bro. They show. Yeah, well, like
So that's why we have to now do this type of content where we
Yeah.
just keep it going.
Yeah.
Because ngeke bakulalela umusizela nezinto eziserious u16 nje u16 akangikhumbule buka ivideo serious ku social media nangu ngaphandle ukuthi uTyler the creator because umuntu amncanywayo abantu abambala abancanywayo but nje once wakhuluma ngezinto eziserious yabo u16 nama video enginokumkhombisa wona vela abona hey dog hey dog athi usu serious wena umdala wena lezi zinto ezikhulumayo.
But I think it's where he is now, you know.
Yeah, and we should also understand. We accept.
Yeah. But see, at the end of the day, I like the fact that you mentioning that about cabang. You know, I think it's very important for us to emphasize and talk cabang. You know, and then go as far as think about the things that you are thinking about.
Yeah,
you know. So I like that. You know, my take for today, cool, mina dog. Yeah, uti, balegi uti. In whatever that you're doing, don't just be someone who's a wenzanje, but there should be a process of tabang with how do you execute leont. You know, go be a process. I mean, I've never told me bengazi uti kahle art kahle yabo. Uthema usuyikhuluma dog wakho la le part ngibona ukuthi uya romance ake manje yabo so ngiyamachina nje bese umuntu osese studio umari
inkinga nawe
uzohamba la
inkinga ngakushutha nawe Teddy ngisenze umzekelo ophilayo wafika eqinile usenze umzekelo waphume njani umbuza nge-experience man
sure let me show you ukuthi it's an art on its own dog good for the fact that omunye umuntu mayibuka lento ubuthi I can do it this as well not understanding you know what I say there's a lot behind le mpahla usubona nje usubona manje you know what I mean so kudos to you and also my last question for you dog I want to know kahle kahle mfethu ufuna mfethu uma sithi nje dog right siyamasha manje so sekuphelile ngawo how do you want us dog to remember you
Hey.
Fethu.
Habibi.
Fethu, I don't think ngine khona la ngafunda khona kuthi hayi abantu banjalo abantu abane-ego
Sure.
yokuthi bafuna ukukhunjulwa ngezinto thizeni.
Yeah.
No. But I know definitely I would have made a huge impact ebantwini.
Sure.
Angiyona le out ekuzothi kukhulunywa ngayo emngcwabeni athi hey athe grand. Kuthi hayi qaba bange umuntu mayefika kwi-pulpit etukanyisa athe grand.
Sure.
Bazobe befakaza nabanye ukuthi hayi siyayazi lathi idalile ivara.
Sure.
And ikona wonke umuntu hayi mfethu angikhathali ukuthi uyacleana, angikhathali ukuthi uyibillionaire okanye uyimillionaire, angikhathali ukuthi uyithekene abathi umubi, angikhathali ukuthi uyithekene enhle. Sahlangana nje.
Sure.
You know ukuthi hayi I would have made an impact.
Sure.
That's that. But ke kodwa ke masingabona
Uphendulile low key yazi lo.
yeah nanokuthi masingabona nje abantu abamnyama mfethu befikela kula level thizeni ukuthi siyazi ukuthi asikwazi kuba vocal kakhulu because hey wakhuluma too much.
Sure.
Yeah, idenjalo.
Vale mfana.
Hayi vale madake majiteni.
Datha na vale.
Qatha.